Another day, another software update. This one's a 2012, which you can tell from the small aluminium top on the engine. I've done various updates on this one before, and it has a 40 kilowatt hour battery upgrade with the EVsEnhanced translator kit, which makes it very straightforward. But I'm just doing a brake software update, which on these is very useful, helps with the regeneration and all sorts. So it's just underway now. But it takes a few minutes, and then it recalibrates the brake pedal afterwards for us too. Nice and easy with the EVsEnhanced service reporting tool. So brake software update all done. You can see there's nothing left on the drop down. I'm just, as a matter of principle, going to do the brake calibration. Although it's done on the software update anyway, I'm going to do the brake calibration because it costs nothing to anybody and it has the potential just to make sure everything's perfect.